Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming. And do you want to reset iPhone because you want to, factory reset it and give it to your friends or family, pass it to your elderly, or you want to, factory reset it because you want to sell it, on the second-hand market to sell it to another person. Alright, but you are basically unable to reset it because you forget your Apple ID passcode and you cannot reset your iPhone itself. And it can be very, very troublesome and go through like all those resetting the Apple ID password, and then they need to send you OTP or SMS, and where you even can't get a chance to access your iPhone itself. So it can be very, very complicated process. Alright, you guys want to know how you guys can actually do it. Alright, well, today I'm going to show you a way that I personally use, alright, solve this issue myself because I also face one of the same problem myself. Alright, and the software that I'll be using to solve this issue is with the help of this software right here. So this is the PassFab Unlock, and this is my go-to software whenever I have issues with my iPhone or my friends or family, anyone with issues on their iPhone. I'll use this software to help them, alright, to remove any of the issues they have with your iPhone. So this is a really, really reliable software. I've been using it for quite some time now, and helping people who have issues with their iPhone. And after that, after the unlocking or removing any of the issues they have, alright, they can still receive constant update on their phone, alright, and sign with their own Apple ID, all this without any issues. And with my own personal iPhone as well, I don't have any issues after using this software itself. So this is one of the most reliable software I actually use. Alright, you guys, there's a lot of software out there. You don't know which one is good, which one is reliable. Alright, this one I've used it personally, which is I can say that it's really good, really reliable, and this thing is safe for your iPhone. It doesn't break your iPhone in any way, because other software out there, it could break your iPhone, and you don't want that to happen, because when your phone is break, you cannot use it anymore. Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys the software itself, what this PassFab iPhone Unlock can do, what the features it has, followed by a quick demonstration of resetting the iPhone without the need of an Apple ID. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the software itself first. Let's go. Alright, so as you guys can see right behind me, this is the software itself, and it has a lot of other features it can use right here. Alright, as you guys can see, you can unlock iOS screen, you can remove iCloud activation lock disabled by Find My iPhone, alright, removing your screen time passcode, bypass mobile device management, and as well as removing Apple ID as well. So yeah, this is one of the most comprehensive software out there, and basically you guys can do a lot of things on this software, not only just limited to resetting your device, but it can also do a lot of different things right here. Wherever you have issues with other features of your phone, alright, you guys can always come back to this software and do it as well. So this is very, very generous of them. Okay, so today we will be focusing on how to reset your devices. Alright, so you have to click on this one over here, the unlock iOS screen. Click on that and just connect your device to a USB cable, alright, and follow the on-screen instructions to get your phone into recovery mode. Alright, and once it's in recovery mode, you guys can get your phone into DFU mode. Alright, all this and that, just follow the on-screen instruction, and once your phone is in either recovery mode or DFU mode, it should auto detect it and just follow the on-screen instruction to download certain firmware. And after that, once the whole process is done, you guys can start resetting your device right away. So right now I'm going to show you guys a quick demonstration of the whole process itself, so you guys can see how easy and how straightforward the whole unlocking process is. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the demonstration itself. Let's go. Alright, so you guys can see this is my iPhone with a problem, and you guys can see if I enter my passcode and iPhone unavailable, and yeah, I can't reset it, all this and that, and if I want to reset my phone, alright, if I press on I forget passcode, alright, I just need to start an iPhone reset. I forget my passcode, so there's no way to reset my iPhone. So this is where this PassFab iPhone Unlock comes in. Alright, so all I have to do is just to click on the iOS screen and just follow the on-screen instructions. Alright, like I said earlier on. Alright, once it's done, alright, you will say just follow the on-screen instruction, like confirm your device connect to the computer by pressing the volume button, all this, and just follow the on-screen instruction. Alright, and after that you just need to make sure your phone model, alright, version all is correct. Alright, and it should just choose the path where you want to download the firmware to, and just click on download. Alright, so once you click on download, you will start downloading. It depends on how fast your internet is. Alright, for me it take about 15 minutes. Alright, and once the firmware is downloaded, you guys can click on start to remove. Alright, and this process also take about 5 to 10 minutes, and once the removing is done, you will say successfully removed. All right, screen lock removed successfully, and your phone should reset, and you're brought back to the welcome to iPhone page, and you guys can see everything, it has been reset. All right, to stock, you guys can see right over here. So yeah, this is how easy it is, all right, to reset your phone without the need of an Apple ID or a password to your Apple ID. Alright, so you guys can see from the whole demonstration, it's very, very straightforward. You don't have to be really tech savvy to do anything. Just, follow some on-screen instruction, click a few simple click of button, brew yourself some cup of coffee or nice pack of tea, sit back and relax, and within 5 to 10 minutes time, your phone has been reset, and you guys can, sell it away or pass it down to your siblings or your grandparents, whatever you want to do with your phone. Alright, it is already done without the need of an Apple ID. So it's very straightforward. You don't have to be really tech savvy to do that, or anyone can do it at the comfort of their own home, which is something that is really, really amazing. Instead of going to third-party software or like stores and where they will like help you do all this, but you have to travel down, there's petrol costs, they'll charge you way more than you're getting this software itself. So why waste the hassle, the time? Whereas with this, you guys can do it on your laptop, your desktop, your MacBook, or anywhere, alright, instantly, and you don't have to wait, and it's pretty instant, and you guys can use it in less than, I would say, 20 minutes time. You guys can get your iPhone reset. Alright, so this is the PassFab iPhone Unlock, and if you want to get your iPhone reset in less than a few minutes time, go ahead and check out this PassFab iPhone Unlock. The first link, the first link in the description down below for you guys to go ahead and check it out, alright, and get this software for yourself right now and start unlocking your phone and get it done in less than 20 minutes time, and you guys can get your phone reset successfully. So yeah, like I said, this software has been really reliable, really helpful. Alright, I don't run into any issues afterwards. So yeah, this is one I recommend that is safe, reliable, and very instant, and there's no issues anymore or like afterwards or whatever. It doesn't break your phone, which is the best part about this. Alright, so once again, you guys check out this PassFab iPhone Unlock. I'll link them the first link in the description down below for you guys to go and check it out and get this for yourself right now. Alright, and yeah, that's all for today, guys. And if you like this video and this video did help you out, do give it a thumbs up and comment down below your iPhone model as well. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. And this is 𝖩forcegaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.